Hello, I'm Brian Lasser, President of Xenix Software. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to define a web table in AscentialTest. In most environments, AscentialTest defines tables via drag and drop, but because of the lack of a table standard on the web, along with the variation that exists, AscentialTest needs a little help from the user in order to define the structure of web tables. The interactive table definition wizard makes it an easy task for most target applications. To define a web table, I'll need the snapshot of the page that contains the target table. Notice the button Define Web Table. Clicking that button will start the wizard. The first step directs the user to drag a rectangle inside as much of the table as possible. When I do that, I'm taking care not to go outside the border of the table. It's better to be a bit inside rather than extend beyond the border of the table. Once I let go of the mouse, the table is highlighted in the snapshot and the wizard asks for a confirmation. Since my table appears to be recognized, I'll click the Yes button. Next, the wizard asks if there is a table header. Since my table has a header, I'll click Yes. Then I'm prompted to drag a rectangle inside as much of the header as possible. Again, it's important to stay inside the border of the header. Since the header appears to be recognized, I'll confirm again. The wizard then provides an opportunity to select or deselect any header objects by clicking on them. Once I'm satisfied that all the header objects are included, I'll click on Continue. Now, the wizard will help recognize the table rows. First, I'm asked to drag a rectangle inside the first row. Since the header has already been recognized, I'll select the first table row that contains the contents of the table. In my case, it appears that the first row is recognized. If it was not, I would select No, and I would be given the chance to try again. I'll select Yes. The process is now repeated for the second row. Once complete, the wizard provides an opportunity to toggle any row objects just like it did for the header. The final step is to drag the table, now highlighted in blue, over to the app object tree to define it. You'll notice that several components have been defined. The table, the header along with the header objects, the row class, several selectors, and all of the objects in the row. I hope that you found this short video on the AscentialTest Table Definition Wizard informative. If you would like to learn more, please visit us at www.xenix.com.